in convenience. Number 1 is Hewlett DesignJet T650 24-inch plotter wireless printer. The Hewlett DesignJet T650 24-inch plotter wireless printer is an outstanding option for professionals searching for a high-quality wireless printer priced under $2,000 in 2024. It features thermal inkjet printing technology, making it an ideal choice for AEC, GIS, and CAD professionals who prioritize precision and print quality. With an impressive print resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi, your projects will come to life with stunning detail. The DesignJet T650 stands out with its impressive 22 by 34-inch print speed, taking just 26 seconds to deliver outstanding results. This makes it a true productivity powerhouse. With wireless connectivity and one-click printing, along with compatibility through a raster driver for both Windows and Mac OS, it ensures a seamless printing experience. Moreover, your purchase comes with a surge protector, high-speed USB printer cable, Cat5e Ethernet cable, deluxe cleaning set, and multicolor cable ties, adding even more value. When it comes to its impressive features, the printer's sleek dimensions of 23.8 by 39.9 by 36.7 inches make it a space-saving solution for any workspace. With a weight of 85 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and manageability, providing a sturdy and reliable printing solution that is still easy to handle and transport when needed. If you're interested in this wireless printer, check out the link in the description box below.